Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Age of Empire game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your Brave browser and just search for the Steam. And Steam website will appear on top, so just open up this Steam website. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on that login option. And guys, here if you have an account, then just log into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just create an account. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just click on the Start Stream option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Then you will see the store option on the top. Just click on the store option. And now here in this page, you will see the search box. Just click on the search box and just type here the game, which is the Age of Empire. And guys, this game will appear on the top. So just click on the game which you want to download, which is the Age of Empire 3 or 2 or 4 or any other. Just click on that, and here just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. So just click on that option of add to cart, then click on the option of view my cart. And guys, here you have to simply click on the option of continue to payment. And then here you have to just simply log into your account, the account which you recently created. After that, now the game was purchased, and then open up the Steam and then log into your account. Then click on the library option on the top, and on the left hand side you will find the Age of Empire game. Click on that and click on the install. And this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.